Hey guys, my name is Alex and I'm with Beachside Custom Vans, and today I'm very excited to show you one of our most recently finished projects. It is built off a brand new 2022 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 and 170 wheelbase diesel. So let's check out the exterior first. So the first thing you'll notice is we put Van Compass Stage 3 upgraded suspension. So that's front shocks, rear shocks, and added rear mini leaf spring on the back. Then we also put bigger tires. These are BF Goodrich KO2s. They're about 31.5 inches tall. It's the biggest wheel you could fit where your spare tire's at. So that's why we went with that size. Moving down, we have the inlets. So we have two water inlets. One's a gravity feed, so it just fills your tank directly. And the other one's a pressurized one. So if you hook up with just a normal house hose, it'll bypass your pump, bypass your water tank, and give you direct pressurized water. Just below that, we have a 30 amp shore power plug. That way you could charge the van. This is one of the options you could charge the van with. So for this van, we decided to go with a Backwoods Adventure Mod Drifter roof rack. The clients opted out to get the side ladder just because they thought it would be a little bit more incognito without the ladder. Mounted to the roof rack, we have four 100-watt Renogy solar panels, as well as our AC cut-in and fan cut-in. So the last thing we did to the exterior was add an SMB filter 47-gallon diesel tank. It's a replacement tank for the factory one, which is only 24 gallons, so it doubles your fuel capacity, allows you guys to go deeper, further, and farther for longer. Before we show you guys the inside of the van, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting your favorite part of the tour. We are a small Jacksonville local custom camper van builder. We build on all different types of vehicles, work with all different types of people and styles. And so yeah, if you guys are interested in a custom build, please reach out to us. Our information is below. And time for the money shot. So the first thing you'll notice, we added this bug wall mosquito screen, and we love these mosquito screens. We pretty much add on all of our builds. You zip them right down on the sides, and then it has a magnetic attachment on the middle, so it's really easy when you want to walk in and out. It just snaps right into place, keeps all the unwanted bugs and mosquitoes out. Next thing you'll notice is we added this swivel seat to the passenger seat. So this one will swivel around, and you use that table with conjunction with it. Just underneath the passenger seat, we have a Webasto diesel heater. This diesel heater is to plumb directly into your actual tank, so you don't need a spare tank, which is really nice. And then just behind the driver's seat, we have a bench seat, again, that has a table that's on a swivel mount. That way you could swivel around, either eat and hang out by the bench or use the passenger seat for that. Then the last thing for that bench seat is also has two seatbelt mounts, and it also pulls out to like a kid-sized bed, dog bed. And moving inside, just behind the bench seat, we have our shower / bathroom. Beautiful gold shower head with hardware as well, with a wand too, so you could take it out, spray yourself off. Really nice, beautiful, lightweight tile that's all 100% waterproof. This Nautilus retracting sliding door, and then a Ogo composting toilet. So across the hall from the bathroom and the bench, we have our kitchen. What's really nice about this kitchen is we have plenty of countertop space. So we added this pop-up countertop space here. You also have this drop-in space for the sink. And last but not least, a slide-out drawer that has even more countertop space. So one of the big things when you're dealing with van life is obviously space. So having a lot of countertop space really helps you cooking, cleaning, doing whatever you want. A lot of space up top. Next, we have this really big deep sink, a matching gold shower faucet and soap dispenser. And then we have this Acuvo water filter, which is a 3-stage water purification system. It has a carbon filter, a sediment filter, and a UV filter. So any water you have that you pull in is safe to drink once it goes through this faucet. Just underneath the sink and faucet, we have a 5-gallon gray water tank, as well as a trash can. Moving down, we have 4 drawers. They're all on soft close hinges. Again, this is more countertop space. And then just below that, we have a Dometic fridge freezer combo. This is the 110 liter unit, and we love this thing. Super efficient, really big, and can't wait to see what our clients put in it. Just above that, we have our 2-burner induction cooktop. So you can have the ability to be making 2 different things. Just above our induction cooktop in the backsplash is kind of our control panel. So the first thing we have is just a basic 120 volt outlet. On the other side, we have a 12-volt outlet. Just above the 120 volt outlet, we have the switch for the water heater, which is mounted in the water tank behind us, which we'll show you in a little bit. And then 3 different switches. They're all on dimmers. It's for the lights. And then just to the right of that, we have our water release switch, our water pump, and then our WeBoost switch. So now we'll take you to the bedroom, living room, dining room, multi-use area, you could say. Sweet, welcome. So first thing you'll notice is we have overhead cabinets on both sides, about 12 feet. So plenty of storage up top. Just underneath me is the water cabinet. So we have a 32-gallon freshwater wheel well tank, our water pump, and then a 4-gallon Bosch water heater. And then underneath this bench is our electrical cabinet. And now this is how we turn into a bed. Now we're in bed mode. This is the electrical cabinet that we were talking about early underneath the bench sheet. Again, we have 3 200 amp hour lithium batteries from Renogy, a 3000 watt inverter charger, and a 60 amp DC to DC charger. Also in here is your WeBoost, your master kill switch, and all the fuses for the whole system. So that's it for the tour. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Alex. I'm with Beachside Custom Vans. This was a really fun project, and we do fully custom camper van conversions. So if you guys are interested in your own project, feel free to reach out to us. All of our contact information is below. And so we'll see you guys next time.